So you have some machine with a strange shaped port for a vacuum cleaner, and you have a vacuum cleaner. It doesn't fit. You're going to need an adapter. Oh look, amazing. Found this at my local Baumarkt, at my local shop. Fits perfectly, first time. Whoa, look at that, magic. And it's tapered so that it'll fit different sizes, friction fit. Easy. Of course I didn't find it at my local flipping Baumarkt, my local builders merchants. Of course it doesn't exist. You're going to have to do it yourself. 5 minutes on Freecad. I'm going to show you how.
Okay, so first of all, we're going to make a body and we're going to add some sketches. This sketch is the size of the port that we're going to fit over, 19.2 millimeters wide, 39.1 millimeters high. I'm going to duplicate that and I'm just going to move it using the Z position. So attachment position Z. I'm going to offset it. Now we need the part that the hoover, the round circular attachment is going to connect to. Again, just two sketches. It's a slightly smaller diameter circle here than here because you want the hose to push on and friction fit. So I've got my 4 sketches that define the pieces that really matter, the positions that really matter. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to select them in order and I'm going to hit the loft option. I'm in the wrong workbench here, part design, and you want to hit the loft option here. That will give you this shape, simple as that. Isn't that incredible? But it's solid. There are a couple of ways you could do this. It would be lovely if you could select a face and use the thicknessing tool, but you can't. It doesn't like this. So what I've done is I've just duplicated that body and then adjusted the sketches. So if I get rid of this loft again and I show the sketches, these are the internal parts. Then I've created sketches that are have slightly larger dimensions here. So this is the wall thickness, and slightly larger dimensions here. Again, so this is a consistent wall thickness. So I then have 2 lofts. Yeah, I have this one, and I have this one, which is slightly larger. This is what happens when you don't script things, you barely make any sense. Right, so actually I'll show this to you again, and then I'm going to cut this one, or rather better said, I'm going to cut this one out of this one. So you go into Part, Workbench, choose this body, choose that body, hit the Cut option, and what you get left with is this. That's simple. Then you can export it, slice it and print it. I hope that helped.